roomy, comfortable and reliable. Great options like dual power seats, heated seats, OnStar, moonroof and more. Carfax One owner Galpin certified with 171-point inspection, 2-wheel drive, anti-lock brake system 4-wheel, air conditioning rear, AM/FM stereo, Bose premium sound, CD single disc, cruise control, dual airbags, dual power seats, heated seats, keyless entry, leather, moonroof, OnStar, oversized premium wheels 20+, power door locks, power steering, power windows, privacy glass, roof rack, side airbags, StabiliTrak, tilt and telescoping wheel, XM satellite. Please call our professional internet team. All advertised prices exclude government fees and taxes, any finance charges, any dealer document preparation charge, and any emission testing.